place is epic. Our names are Annette and Daniel, and this is our baby Apollo. We spent the last 3 years traveling the world and chasing some crazy adventures as a couple. Now, after having a surprise baby in Thailand, our adventures are about to get a little more interesting. Subscribe and join us as we navigate life as a full-time traveling family together. We've come to Orlando for the weekend to spend some time with some family friends, and it's been really nice. The last couple of days, we've been all together with Daniel's parents, with the family that's hosting us, and staying in their big, beautiful house. And we came because we wanted to show you guys downtown Disney and City Walk, but it's actually been kind of a mess because we used Daniel's dad's truck and the radiator cracked. And so we almost got stuck in Orlando and haven't been able to see anything. But let me show you around. How are we, folks? Everybody good today?
Yes.
Say hello to the YouTubes.
Vlogging.
He is so happy next to you, Nayoung.
Oh.
What? Look how big he is.
He's huge.
It's crazy because I've tried to hold and hang out with Apollo all day today and a lot of yesterday. And anytime that I hold him, he just wants to cry or eat or sleep. But next to everyone else, he wants to play, have fun, be chatty. So yeah, I'm just gonna go cry myself to sleep now. Let's, however, check on how the boys are doing. Hello, Dad, hard at work?
Yep.
I see that. How's the radiator? Radiating?
It's radiating.
All right, well that's good. We've got some engine things happening. Is it fixed now?
Yep.
Yay! All right, well, that's good. We have a working car. Also, did I mention that the house that we're staying in is absolutely beautiful? No, it is not an Airbnb and it is not a hotel. It is actually the home of Daniel's longtime family friends. And they have such a sweet and beautiful family. And we've been playing Settlers of Catan, Super Smash Bros, eating a bunch of food together. And so it's been nice. It's honestly felt like it's just one big Thanksgiving, Christmas, shebang bang, surrounded by family. Right, Amr?
Yes.
Okay, good. Look at Apollo, just happy as a clam. On other news, yesterday we spent the whole day at the pool with everybody. You'll probably be seeing some of that here, but I figured I would show you because this place is epic. So here's the game room. Here's where the ping pong tourney happened yesterday. This is some really epic kitchen situation over there. And wabam, infinity pool on Lake Davis. Super duper epic. And that's where Apollo went into the hot tub for the first time. So yeah, it's been super sweet. It's just felt like vacation. But I do really want to go to Disney Springs. So let's see how long it takes for the boys to finish on the truck. But in the meantime, your girl's gonna get some coffee. Ba-ba-da, and a tangerine. Ba-ba-da. What, bam! Nayoung, you didn't drink your coffee.
I'll drink it in a sec.
Okay, so this one's gonna be mine. Thank you. Well, since Nayoung didn't touch her coffee, I think I'm gonna take a quick sip. I'll be nice. I'll make her one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, Annette, it's so
Super
hot.
hot. Just kidding. Okay. Coasters. How'd the radiator go?
After putting in two,
no.
because they got the wrong one, we really good at putting in radiators.
Yeah, now we can do it really quick. Like, it would definitely be like a 30-minute operation now. All right, I'm gonna do this and then I have time to eat for the first time soon.
Yay.
This is what he normally does. He just looks at the window or like whatever, and then his eyes finally droop. But see if it's working.
Yeah. Oh my god. Turn around, Nayoung. Look at that. He's so tired. Oh my gosh, Nayoung, you are like the baby sleep whisperer.
Oh.
Okay. Well, good night. Let me just say that Galen's girlfriend, Nayoung, I literally call her Como, which is auntie in Korean, because she's just like, look at this. Every time. She holds him all the time. Anytime I need a break, she's like, oh, I'll take Apollo. And I try to get him to sleep for 45 minutes. She holds him for 15, and this is the result. So, thank you, Como.
You're welcome.
Need a bet. So, we were going to go to Disney Springs and City Walk. The truck is now fixed, but it did take a little bit longer than we expected. And now we got grease all over our friend's driveway. So we are scrubbing out the grease. You're driving like a grandpa.
What?
Like you're holding onto the steering wheel like a grandpa. Yep, there you go. We made it to Disney Springs. We are here to shop. We're here to walk around. It's actually Apollo's first time at Disney, so, or at Disney World, because I guess this isn't a Disney park, but close enough. Say hello, fam. Smile. Turns out you have to get your temperature checked when you're coming into downtown Disney, or sorry, Disney Springs. And the line is huge. Look at that. So many people, and more people behind us. All right, that's us. Say hello, fam. Apollo is a little tired. And we're in. We went through this like x-ray machine. I don't know if they allow the baby in through the x-ray because they said to leave the stroller out. So anyway, if you're coming to Disney Springs, be prepared for a long line and lots of people. So we have got Coca-Cola World. Pretty empty this way. But here we are.
So, thank you for joining on the super random day. Nayoung's over here making fun of me, the fact that I said so in the beginning. But I have no idea what you and Annette talked about. I hope it was fun.
Look who woke up. Say good morning, Apollo. I have loved Disney Springs. I just woke up. We went and shopped at a bunch of the stores. And I did not find anything that everybody else did, which is great. And it's been so nice. The last time that we came here, it wasn't built up at all. They were still building a lot of like the mall section of Disney Springs. And the last time that we came here, I'm pretty sure it was called Downtown Disney, just to give you a perspective on how long it's been. But my gosh, A, it's beautiful now. B, it's so much busier than it used to be. I feel like beforehand, that people didn't come to Disney Springs for really anything. And they have loads of restaurants. So if you're planning on doing a trip with your family or you're coming to Orlando, I mean, this is just such a great free thing to do. So make sure you come. Bye. We walked into Uniqlo. I'm looking for pants and I can't find any. This store at Downtown Disney has so many cute things. I love all the art. Apollo, hi. He is so intrigued by everybody else around him. Nope. Fully doesn't know that he's at Disney World. Cutie.